In today's video, I'm going to teach you a short little simple Bulerías step that's used quite commonly in Bulerías Por Fiesta when we're wanting to close out a remate or finish up with a llamada. And this little step is very handy to use because it can coincide with the caída, which is the end of the sung line that the singer is singing when they drop their tone. The step is simply, okay, so we have a toe, heel, stamp, stamp, and that's a toe, heel on the left, toe, heel, and 2 stamps on the right. And it will normally come in on counts 9 and a 10. 9 and a 10. And then on the 11, we're just bringing our foot over and down. So we have 9 and a 10, 11. And then we're ready with our other leg to move out onto our next step on count 12, whatever we decide to do next. Okay, so I'll just turn and face the back and teach you that step. We have, starting on the left foot with a toe, heel, stamp, stamp. Toe, heel, stamp, stamp. 9 and 10, 11, 12. Again, we have 9 and 10, 11, 12. So coming in from the compás, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'll just put on some solo compás and we can practice that little step with the rhythm. Okay, we have some slow solo compás. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're coming in on the 9 and the 10. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one more time. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And one last time. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's where in the compás we would use the step. If we wanted to make a 12 count remate out of it, there's a few things we can do. If we're using it to listen to the singing and just feel where we are in the letra, we can do something simple, just some simple marking. We can do 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you might just be doing simple marking on the spot. And then when you hear the singer's about to resolve the sung line, you can come in with your 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and move into the next step there. So let's practice that a little bit. If we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so it was 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll face the back so you can copy along. We have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So on the remate that I'm doing, I'm just bringing my arms around in a little circle and through. So that's one option you can do for the 9, 10. To just accent the 10, you shoot your arms out. So on the 9 ender, we're bringing our arms around, behind our back and through. 9, 10. Another one you could do is just a little big circle here, a little big circle, a big little circle. Either way, it's a circle. So we would come up 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're doing the circle a little bit before the step because we're getting ready for it. And then on the 9 and a 10, on the 10 you would bring your arm up, well, just before the 10, and on the 10 you can flick your wrist and face the back if you're wanting to change direction, and that can give it a little bit of accent and surprise. So that would be 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So those are some options for the arms. Just going back to this one, we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I'll put on the solo compás and let's practice that little bit. 12 count remate, which you can add on to the end of your llamada. So a simple classic llamada will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll face the back and let's run through that simple llamada and the 12 count remate with our little Bulerías step at the end. So the classic llamada starts on the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that makes a really good llamada. A simple classic llamada, a little bit of simple marking while we're listening to the singing, and then we can resolve at the same time as the singer. So let's practice that again. We have on count 1, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. I'll put on some solo compás and let's practice that llamada and the remate all together. I'll face the back so you can follow along. And we're going to do the llamada coming on count 1. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Lovely. Let's go again. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. One more time. 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. I hope you enjoyed learning that little Bulerías step. Just so you know, there can be a few variations to that one. You don't have to do the exact same feet and sides that I have done. You might do some different things, like you can do, instead of doing a double stamp on the right, you might want to, or you might start the whole step on the right. So it's really just the sound that we're going for, the 9 and a 10. And which feet you use, which order, it doesn't really matter so long as you're on compás and finishing with the singer, and finishing on the 10 is the important part. So yes, I hope you enjoyed learning this Bulerías step today. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be coming back with some more videos teaching you how to improvise and dance for Bulerías Por Fiesta.